Hello everyone, welcome to part 171 of Laravel 10 series in which we're getting the e-commerce website. So we will start working on the shipping management in Laravel. We will calculate the shipping charges that we will add on the total amount of the order. We will give an option in admin to add the shipping charges for all the countries. So there are two methods of adding shipping charges in normally in the e-commerce website. One is the simplest way of adding shipping charges for all the countries. Okay, so that is the country wise shipping charges module, and that is without weight. And the another one, that is the advanced way. Okay, in that advanced way we are going to add shipping charges for all the countries weight wise, in which we are going to add the weight for all the products, and shipping charges will be added according to the weight and country both. So first of all we're going to work on this one, country wise shipping charges. Okay, so let's start. In this video we are going to create the shipping charges table, and in that table we are going to add 4 5 columns that are id, country, rate, status, and credit rate and update rate. Okay, so let's start working on this one. I'm going to open my project as well in Sublime. Okay, so here open with this is my project folder. Okay, so I'm going to run one command to create the shipping charges table. I'm going to show all. Here is my project. Right click, services, new terminal folder, and here I'm going to run the command of creating the migration file to create the shipping charges table. PHP artisan make migration, create shipping charges table. Okay, so I'm going to open this file in Sublime, shipping charges table. Okay, so I'm going to add the column that we want to add in shipping charges table. String country. After that we are going to add the rate for adding the shipping charges, float rate. In float we are going to add. After that the status, like if we want to disable any of the country shipping charges, then we can disable it as well, and rest will come created at and updated at columns that will automatically get created. So string country, float rate, and integer status, it seems to be fine. We are going to run the php artisan migrate command to create this table. Let's see if the table has been created or not. I'm going to my project folder. This is the project folder, and here shipping charges is here. Okay, fine. So shipping charges table is here with all the required columns. Now we will import the country list into this shipping charges table. See, from the countries table, this one, all we are already having the country list, so we're going to export this list first of all in CSV format. We will select here custom, then CSV for a MS Excel, then here we are going to do it like this. Okay, Excel 2008 Macintosh. So here I'm going to check the list is exported or not. Okay, so in the meantime it is taking few times to open, few minutes to open. So in the meantime I'm going to here we'll check the format that we require to import shipping charges. So we need to import in such a way. Okay, so let's see that. Oh yeah, it is opening. Okay, so we are going to modify this list. Okay, so this is the countries list. What we are going to do, we are going to modify this list according to the shipping charges table. Okay, so I'm going to file, save as here, and here I'm going to save it with new name, that is the shipping underscore charges, and I will save it in CSV format, and we'll click on save, click on yes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this one is not required, this column is not required. After that, I'm going to see first column is the country. I am going to rename this one to the country only. Okay, so after that, status is also here after rate. Okay, so I'm going to add one more, insert column left here. So here I'm going to add here rate, and here I'm going to add the rate for all the countries. Right now I can simply add 0 rate for all the country. Okay, we can update from the admin panel when we will add its module. Okay, so see 0 rate for all the countries, and I'm going to save it. Yes, and now I will try to import this one from here. So like this, you can able to make the excel file, csv excel file, and can able to import. Okay, so here I am going to skip the first row, and then we'll click on import, and let's see. Okay, so there is some issue. Okay, we can resolve this issue, not a major thing to resolve. Here we must first add the date. Okay, the exact accurate date. Okay, we can add like today date, whatever today date, that is like today is the 18th March, and then year 2024, first the year will come. It is the format is like year, first year, then month, then date. Okay, first year, then month is 03, and after that day. Okay, day is now 18, like this. Okay, time I'm not going to add any time, and it's we are required to update its format as well. See date, here we are going to click on date, and we'll here use this format. Okay, so that is understand by our MySQL database. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and we'll copy the cells, and the same we are going to use it here, and then click on save, and yes. Then now we can able to import this one. We will click on import, and here choose file, and then we'll click on shipping charges, and then skip the first row, and we'll see now that if we can able to import the countries that shipping charge list or not. Yes, this time it seems to be fine. Okay, so now our shipping charges table is ready with all the countries. Now we can update the rate. So we are going to add the module in the admin panel, shipping charges module in the admin panel, so that the admin or client can update the rate for all the countries, shipping charges rate for all the countries. Okay, so we are going to create first of all model as well as the controller. Okay, let's create the model as well as the controller. I think we are having here. I'm going to see yes, this one. So here we are already open this terminal. So now we are going to first create the model, php artisan make model, and we are going to create the model shipping charge, and after that we are going to create the controller, php artisan make controller, and then admin shipping controller we are going to create. Fine, so now we are going to open this one, and we are going to open the sidebar in which we are going to add the shipping charge module. Okay, so I'm going to log in into the admin panel as well, where we are required to show the shipping charges module, and here I'm going to log in into admin panel. So we are going to add the shipping charges module here at the left side. We can add up after orders management. So here I'm going to check for the orders management. Okay, here it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this one, and this copy, and just paste here to save the time. And then here we are going to add here like shipping is enough, and this session we are also going to add here. Okay, so other than this, here we are going to add here shipping management. like this. And here we are going to add shipping charges here as well, shipping charges. Okay, so other than this, there is, I don't think, any other thing to update here. Okay, so we are going to check there once. Yes, it seems to be fine. Okay, so shipping management has been added along with the shipping charges link. Okay, so we are going to add the route for managing the shipping charges. Okay, so we are going to add it in admin auth group. We are going to add here shipping charges, and here route get shipping charges here, then shipping controller, then shipping charges. We're going to open the shipping controller now. Here we are going to add the shipping charges function. Going to create the shipping charges function here. Okay, public function shipping charges here. So we are going to first of all start the session to highlight the shipping charges at the left sidebar page. Here, see, we have given their shipping. I'm going to show it like this. Okay, so after that we are going to add here shipping underscore charges variable we are going to take. Then the shipping charge is the model. We are going to get all the shipping charges. We are going to convert that to array. Okay, also we are going to include here that shipping charges module model shipping charge like this. Okay, so this one we are going to return here return view, and then admin, and then inside shipping we are going to add, we're going to create this shipping charges. We are going to create this folder inside that shipping charges. Okay, so inside this we are going to see pass this, we're going to return this shipping charges array. Okay, so see here we are going to create this folder, shipping folder, inside admin, then shipping underscore charges blade file. So I'm going to open the project folder in which resources, views, admin. Here we are going to add shipping folder, and inside this I'm going to copy from some other like the branch.blade.php. Okay, I'm going to place it here and will rename it to the shipping charge. It will save a lot of our time. Okay, shipping underscore charges, I'm going to rename it like this, and then I'm going to make changes here. I will select here like this so that we can able to make the changes easily. Shipping charges I'm going to make, and here see everywhere we will make it like shipping. Here we are going to make it like shipping. Okay, so here we are going to make changes. We are going to show here id, after that country, after that that rate, that is the shipping charges, or yeah, rate is fine here. Okay, rate, and then uh, this one is not required. Okay, and action, that is enough. Okay, so here we are going to add here the shipping charges, and brand also. Once again, what we are going to do, we are going to convert it to the shipping as well, like this. So after this first one is id, after that the country must come here, and after that the rate must come here. Okay, So here we are going to add here rate. This one is not required, we can remove this one. And after that, shipping module. So shipping module is required here. Okay, we have not added the shipping module, so we can open any of the controller here. We can get the shipping module from here. Okay, just copy, because here this one we required for the roles and permissions. Okay, so we will just add it here, and after that we can make the changes. Okay, so we simply select this one and we'll add here like this, and this shipping module we are going to return to the blade file as well. Okay, otherwise it will show error like this. Okay, so now we will come back to here, and here now everything will work fine. See, I'm going to now have unselected that to see that if anything is left we need to replace that. Okay, so here also we are going to make it like this. Okay, but this add shipping is not required because we have already added all the countries, just the edit functionality that we are going to add later. So this one I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now I don't think that brand is here. Okay, yeah, brand is not here at all. So I'm going to refresh it once to see that if the module has come up or not. I'm going to click here shipping charges, and let's see. So few of the things that we are required to add here, we are going to add the session here, use session. We are going to add it here and then refresh it once again, and we'll see. Okay, so it is asking to add the another model, so that we are going to add straight away this one, add admin's role model. We are going to add. Okay, we will add it like this and then refresh once again, and this time it is asking to add the auth as well. Use auth, we will add the auth as well, and then we can now see. Yeah, now the shipping charges are coming here correctly. You can see all the countries are visible here. Okay, all the countries that we have added so far is coming here. Okay, for showing the data table, we will update in layout. I think layout dot blade. I need to see that where we have added the data table here only. So I'm going to copy this one and we'll add the data table for the shipping as well. Okay, so here I will add here the shipping, and we'll check here like if data table have been selected. Yes, data table has been selected and data table is working fine. You can see now we have the paging as well. We can go as per the paging, or we can select 100 in one page. Okay, and other search option will also, like for India, if we will select India, then India will come. Okay, along with wherever the India will come, and that will come here as well. Okay, so it's working fine. So we can able to see all the shipping charges country, and here we can able to update the countries from edit, but that thing we are going to do right now. And delete if feature is not required, so we are going to remove the delete from here. So that thing delete is not required at all. So we're going to, although we can simply able to active or inactive. Yeah, active or inactive we can do here straight away. So update shipping status, we are going to update in custom.js located at the admin, and here this one we can do in the same way like we are doing for the other rules. Here we can simply select any of the uh, here code, and then we replace it with the update shipping charges status. Okay, shipping status, or like this. Okay, update shipping status, and here as well cm spirit instead of this update shipping status. And now we are going to update this page. Here we are going to update shipping status, update shipping status like this. Okay, so now we are going to see, yeah, few more things here in here also we are going to add that that route. For this one we are required to add here then function as well. So we can simply copy from another one, so that it will take save a lot of time. And here update here shipping status, we will simply add here update shipping status like this. And other than this, here we will also add the shipping controller and update shipping status. Here also we are going to add here update shipping status. Okay, then we are going to create the update shipping status. I'm going to copy this entire function update brand status, and we'll copy that here, and then we can make changes. This function we are going to use this function update shipping status, like this. And here also we are going to update shipping charge once again. Here we are going to update this one, and here instead of brand we are going to add here shipping ID. Okay, so let's see if it is working fine. Yes, we can able to disable. I'm going to refresh if it is working fine. Yes, it is working fine. See, we can able to active or inactive from here. Okay, so this thing is also working fine. In the next video we can able to update the shipping charges, okay, from here. So please stay tuned for the next video, and after that we are going to apply these shipping charges at the front end, at the checkout page, okay, where the user is adding his delivery address. According to the delivery country we are going to calculate the shipping charges. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.